Hi, to add another Google account on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Settings. From here, find this tab Accounts and Backup and choose to Manage Accounts. After that, you would see a Samsung account, Google account, and you add new one. Tap this button Add Account, and from the list of other options, choose Google. Then just verify your identity using fingerprint or pattern, like that. And now you need to sign in, so enter your email or phone number, tap Next, and enter your password. And after you have entered your password, tap Next. Wait a few seconds, and if you want to, you can add phone number, or you can skip this step. And now agree with Google Terms of Service by tapping I agree. Then let's wait a few seconds till it's loading our data. Now you can enable to use biometrics to verify purchases. I suggest you to enable it by tapping on the switcher so it will light up blue. And now let's accept. And that's it. Now we just added another Google account to our Samsung Galaxy S25. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.